In this video, I will showcase to you how to use Fusion, a software to run virtual machine. Virtual machine are like virtual computer which you use to do some test and won't compromise your PC. To start, we need VMware Fusion, the software that we are going to use. Remember that it's free only for personal use. To install, search VMware Fusion on your browser and click the first result. Scroll down until you see VMware Fusion Pro Download and click it. Now you will need a Broadcom account. If you don't have one, just create it. I already have one, so I'll just need to log in. Once you are in, press VMware Fusion 13 for personal use and select the latest one. In my case, it's 13.6.1. And press the Agree to Terms and Conditions. Now just press the Download button. Wait for the download to finish. Once finished, open the .dmg file. Double-click on the app. And press Open. Authenticate with the admin password of your user and wait for VMware Fusion to set up. To install an operating system, you'll need the .iso file with the ARM architecture. Once you open Fusion, you'll get asked to drag and drop the .iso file. In my case, I will install Debian 12 for ARM. Click Continue, and I prefer to customize settings before finishing the VM. Save it with the name you want and customize setting as you want. I suggest giving at least 8 GB of RAM if you are on a 16 GB Mac like me. Once done, start the VM and wait for it to boot. Now the installation process will vary based on the OS you are installing. Mine is Debian. Follow the graphical installation process. Give it some time to install everything. If you'll get asked for the disk partitioning, just select Use the entire disk. In my case, don't worry, this won't impact your Mac disk, only the virtual one. On some Linux, you'll get asked to choose the desktop environment. I prefer KDE, but you can choose the one you want. When the installation finishes, it will reboot into the installed OS, or the bootloader, like in my case. Allow VMware for the microphone and boom! You just installed an operating system on a virtual machine in macOS. Now you can customize everything as you wish and, if you have enough space, you can create multiple VM for different OS. I hope this guide helped you, and I hope this will be useful to you. Thanks for watching.